happening? Welcome back to Fire Ave Food TV. Alright. So today is barbecue Saturday. I don't know what time it is, what day it is, wherever you at, but here at Fire Ave Food TV, it's barbecue Saturday. You know what I'm saying? So I've had hit up this spot called Big Boy BBQ, you know what I mean? So, like I said, a lot of these barbecue spots, you know what I'm saying, they got, the basic stuff, they got ribs, chicken, hamburgers, pulled pork, all the basic stuff, right? But this spot right here, I saw their menu online. Man, they had some stuff on there that was like different from the basic barbecue spot, man. They had tater nachos. What's it called? Yeah, tater nachos. It's some tater chips, with pulled pork, pulled pork, spicy barbecue sauce, some spicy queso, and all that stuff, right? I was like, man, that sounds fire right there. But then they had a special today on their Big Boy tacos. And as you can see right here, these Big Boy tacos right here, they got, so it's 2 fried corn tortillas, you know what I mean? With your choice of pulled pork or pulled chicken. Then they got the spicy barbecue sauce on there. The lime ranch, this lime ranch. It ain't no basic regular ranch, it's lime ranch. Then you got your smoked salsa. See that smoked salsa right there. And your side of fried tortilla chips. I'm like, okay, let me see what this do. You know what I'm saying? It look fire, but you know what I'm saying? You about to go ahead and see if this is some fire food. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and try one of these fried tortilla chips and dip into this good old smoked salsa. See how that hit. Let's go. Oh yeah. That's good. It's good and spicy. Spicy, good, spicy, sweet. Smoky. You know what? Might throw a little bit of this salsa on the taco too. You feel me? Use that chip right there. Man, hold up. All right. See that? Get a little closer look at that real quick. This pulled chicken, I got the pulled chicken on there. Okay. Man, this is definitely some fire ass food. It's like this pulled chicken got that perfect smoke flavor to it, that barbecue sauce, and that lime ranch. So that lime ranch, it don't really got a strong lime flavor in it, but you do get a little hint of that lime in it too, which is perfect for like, like tacos in general. It's not something you would normally expect on a, eating something from a barbecue spot, no type of lime flavor too much, right? But this right here is definitely some fire ass food. And then the smoked salsa. I ain't never heard nobody in my whole life talking about smoking some salsa. But Big Boy BBQ, they smoke some salsa. Yeah. There's some fire ass sauce, for real. Man, look here. I'm about to tear this whole thing up so quick. But yeah, Big Boy BBQ. Make sure you follow them on Facebook. I know they got a Facebook page, and they are They are located on 1018 Missouri Avenue, Unit number 12 in St. Robert, Missouri. All right, and it's a barbecue food truck. They got the big old truck. You know what I'm saying? You see the picture in the video. And I'll leave a link to their site on the description too, to their Facebook page. So, like I said, they be putting out when they open, what their menu gonna be for the weekend or for the day or whatnot. But yeah, if you in St. Robert, Waynesville, Fort Leonard Wood coming through, and you want some of that fire barbecue, holla at Big Boy BBQ. Alright. And any small businesses out there, small, independent cooks, small restaurants, anybody, right? If y'all want, I don't care if you got a product that you serving, if you cooking food, if you providing a service, holla at Fire Ass Food TV. Hit me in my DMs, hit me in the inbox on Facebook. I got a Facebook page, Fire Ass Food TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fire Ass Food TV. I'm gonna keep pushing out these videos, viewing this fire food. I'll let you know if it's some fire food or not. And you know what I'm saying? We definitely about empowering these small owned businesses. You know what I'm saying? So we can keep, bringing, increasing the economy, uplifting the economy, because it's all about the small owned business. You feel me? That's what's gonna keep the economy flowing. Alright? It's been good. I'm gonna keep tearing up this fire Big Boy barbecue. You know what I'm saying? These Big Boy tacos. You know what I'm saying? I'm out. I'll see y'all on the next video. What fire food you gonna try next? What fire food TV is gonna try next to see if that's some fire food? All right, bees.